Your videos could be speaking any language without you needing to learn a single word. Let me show you how. With 11 Labs, these guys come up with great text-to-speech, voice changer. So today we're going to focus on dubbing because you've all seen the text, video translation subtitles, but what about voice? With 11 Labs, you can do it for free. I've tested it and it works. Stick around to find out. So hit the get started for free. You're going to log in and all that good stuff. I'm not going to show you my login. You get your own login and then we'll meet on the other side. Once you log in, you're going to be able to create a bunch of stuff, but we're going to focus on what we discussed earlier, dubbing. Then we're going to create a dub. I already did a test here just to test its quality and see if it works. And trust me, watch the whole video and you'll see if it works. Create a dub. Here you get to name the project. So we're gonna go for, let's do 11 Labs real live test because I'm recording this live, but you're not watching it live. Get it? So then let's select the language because we're going to just let the source language be auto-detected. Need to save time, you know? And then we're going to go for Hindi. Why not? You could do Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, whatever. And then this is the cool feature about 11 Labs that it allows you to upload your source file and then you can actually do also a YouTube link or any other link like TikTok. Once you've decided on which one you want to go ahead and do, you can go ahead and upload or share the link. I'm going to upload my file and then translate directly from that. Now we're back. So once the transcribing is happening, then the translating, and then it'll do the finishing touches. As you can see on screen, there it is. It's finalizing. And here is where your projects are going to be residing at. So there we go. It's done. Let's see what 11 Labs cooked up with this podcast.
सावधान पर वो अपने चेहरे पर एक बैग पहनकर बाहर गया और मुझे पता नहीं था हाँ मुझे लगता है सावधान पर वो अपने चेहरे पर एक बैग पहनकर बाहर गया और मुझे पता नहीं था हाँ मुझे लगता है कि वो पूरे चेहरे को ढकने वाली चीजें पहनता है
दिलचस्प है
जब वह बाहर जाता है
वो सेलिब्रिटी संस्कृति और इन्फ्लुएंसर दुनिया का हिस्सा है इसलिए वह कैलिफोर्निया में हमारे प्रकार की नौकरियों को बेहतर समझ
Besides the topic source material being what it is, the quality of 11 Labs is amazing. Don't you agree? Like, let's try a different language, shall we? What about Japanese? Let's head on over again to create a dub. And of course, it's going to have our most recent project here, at least on my screen. So this time we're going to call it multilingual because there's a nifty little trick. You can actually multi-select languages. So we're going to go with Japanese. We're going to go with some Spanish. So we're going to have also some Portuguese. Why not? Now, that's just too many. Let's relax. We don't have unlimited credits over here. But yeah, let's try Spanish. Let's get rid of the Hindi because we already have that version. And let's do a Japanese one also. Of course, settings stay the same. Detect the speakers. And let's create the dub. There's our total balance. And I'll see you in the other side. Alrighty, they're done. Let's see what it cooked. Let's start with the español.
Que durante el fin de semana él salió con una bolsa en la cara y eso no lo entendí. Sí, creo que usa cubiertas completas para el rostro. Sí, cuando sale, ella es parte de la cultura de celebridades y el mundo de los influencers. Así que entiende mejor nuestros tipos de trabajos.
That's pretty good if you know Spanish. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on the quality of that translation. But I think in Hindi, I noticed that each person had a better voice, differentiation on their tone. In Spanish, I don't think they did as much. Definitely a little harder to tell the difference between the three speakers. Now let's try the Japanese version.
週末に彼は顔に砂をかぶって
彼は顔を完全に払うようなものを投げていると思います。外出するときに
興味深いですね。彼女はセレブ文化とインフルエンサーの世界の一員なので、ここカリフォルニアで私たちの仕事
On the Japanese, we saw some missing link syncing and whatnot because the sentence structure that I gave it was a little hard, you know, to go in a language that is built different. What goes in the beginning or the end gets swapped. and whatnot. So makes sense in that way. Completely different language. And then the Hindi one, of course, if you know Hindi, let us know in the comments if it did good, but I can't tell you on that one. It just looked better as to lip syncing. You know what I mean? So that is 11 labs for you, and it's dubbing technology. That on of itself is going to cost you something. Let's find out. As you can see on screen, these are the plans and their rates, but focus on the math I'm going to do on screen for you. You're looking at, on my testing results, at about 2,000 credits per 60 seconds or 1 minute of video dubbing. So that, do the math, and it gets you to your 10,000 credits that they give you for free, will get you about 5 minutes worth of video dubbing. And if you need to scale up, of course, they give you more per the plans, as you can see on screen, and it gets cheaper if you pay annually. In my opinion, dubbing for this price is doable. If you're paying attention, this is about almost $2 for 5 minutes of dubbed full translated video, which is insane. Like, that is way cheap. And of course, the quality could improve. And by the way, check out my playlist on these kinds of tools, AI translation, because AI dubbing doesn't have to look awkward with your mouth. There's actual lip syncing AI translation dubbing tools out there. Stick to my channel, my website, and I'll show you some of those. Now, go ahead, use the tool and let me know what you created with it. And with that, I'm done showing you what I promised you at the beginning, how to translate a video without learning a single word of another language. Hopefully, some better source material. Anyway, I'm your host for Richie Rich Labs. See you in the next one. Peace.